So as you can see in this spreadsheet, if you're looking down here at the bottom, I have lots of different tabs, lots of different worksheets. So what if we wanted to see this worksheet and then the general ledger worksheet at the same time? Well, you can do that. So first, before I do that, let me create a fake transaction in here so you can see what's going on. Let's say this company is going to debit cash, $100,000. They're going to credit capital. So it looks like they would be investing cash in the company is all they're doing. So I need to transfer this information over here to the ledger. So how do I do that without just going back and forth and trying to scroll back and forth? So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to View. So click on View and then click on New Window. And then I'm going to go back to View. Make sure this synchronous scrolling is not turned on. We do not want that. So what it's done is it's split the, in my case, it has split the spreadsheet into two different tabs up here in the window. So I'm going to pull those apart. And now you can see I can go back to the original here. And I can go to the general ledger, scroll down to the cash account. Then I'm going to switch back to the other window. So I can see them both at the same time now. So I probably want to make this a little bit neater. So to put this part of the window on the right side, we're going to press on the Windows key and press the right button, the right arrow I should say, and that moves it to the right side of the screen. And then we're going to click on this spreadsheet to bring it to the front, and to put it to the left side of the screen, I'm going to press the Windows key on my keyboard and press the left arrow. And now, if you're an accounting student, you can just go ahead and transfer this data over here to what we call the ledger. And so now I can just go back and forth. Just like that. So that's how you split the screen into two so that you can see two different worksheets of the same spreadsheet. And for you accounting students in my class, don't forget to do your posting reference. So that means this came from JG1, which is way down here. And then over here we go back to the post reference and we put the account number, which is 1110. And that's it. Of course, if you're in my class, don't forget to also post this capital account to the capital account. You can scroll down over here in the ledger. Oops. You can just scroll down, or if you want to find it quickly, click on the back to top, find the capital account. It moves it to the bottom of your screen. You're going to have to scroll up. And now I can go ahead and post the rest of this. And don't forget your posting references. And then go back over here. Count 3100. And now we're done posting this transaction to the ledger.